Current whiteboard experiences are not personalized. With myViewBoard, we have designed a platform that allows you to create your own personal virtual whiteboard in the cloud that follows you wherever you go. At ViewSonic, we want to give people visually appealing content. myViewBoard lets you annotate with diverse writing tools and insert content like PowerPoint, video and image files easily. If you want to move on to another topic, it's as easy and intuitive as swiping to a new canvas. No erasing needed. In meetings and classrooms, it's common for people to want to share their files and images onto a whiteboard. With myViewBoard, people can share their screens and collaborate with ease. Cloud storage is more common than ever. People's media assets and images are accessed directly from the cloud. You can easily log in to myviewboard.com and access the cloud storage of your choice, such as Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, Box, and many more. When you are done, simply save and share your digital canvas to the cloud. Meetings are expensive, and classrooms need to be engaging. Creativity is a much needed resource for not only companies, but students as well. The myViewBoard platform encourages engagement in the classroom and the workplace for more effective creativity.